Hey guys, so we're gonna see what I got from Michael's today. It's in this pretty box over here. So let's go look at it. Alright, so like I was saying, we have this big old box that says Michael's on it from Michael's. Let's see if I can't. Alright, we can see the box a little bit. Let's see if I can get it open. We're gonna have to put it down here. There we go. Yeah, you can see better. Okay. So I had a voucher from Michael's. I guess it was like because I bought stuff for a Mother's Day thing. So I used it before it expired because I only had a few days. And one of the items was the bucket right here. Okay. And then I've been wanting these like terrarium little sets so I could put them into my small pots easier, because that's a pain in the butt to try to use a full-size shovel sometimes. So this is one of the other items that I got. And then we have this little scoop, so that way I can just get small scoops of stuff. And then they had big scoop as an option. Thought that'd be really cool for like big pots and stuff. That's everything. Alright. I think that's everything, and if not, then they might have shipped it in 2 different boxes and I just wasn't aware. But there was supposed to be a small, medium, and large of the scoops. This bucket that I wanted to use for like garden vegetables and stuff like that. And then these little terrarium shovels. So that's what I got from Michael's. I thought they would be interesting to have for scooping out my garden soil and stuff like that, making it a little easier. And since all I had to do was pay for shipping, it wasn't so bad. It was like $7 for the actual shipping, where everything was covered completely by the voucher. So just a quick little look for what I got. Not too long of a video. So thank you guys for looking at this quick little video with me. I'll see you guys on the next one. If you guys could like, comment, subscribe, and we'll talk about more of these tools as I use them, of course. So see you guys later.